02 379 Peterbilt.
Tackle like the trailer and the F450 or whatever that is. Do you want to do the touchless thing again with this too? I think that'd be the easiest. Yeah, we can even hit the F450 with the touchless stuff. Yeah, you got just a little bit of film on it. I doubt we'll get it all the way perfect, but we can always, you know, jump up there with some awesome sauce and buff it down afterwards. So I'm just gonna use touchless soaps on this truck up here. I think it'll be a great test because it's a black truck and I'm curious to see if it'll come clean. Plus we need to save time. We're running out of time. This is an experimental technique. Let's rock and roll. You ready? Why? We'll figure it out. What is going on here? This thing just shut off. We're making progress. If we had been able to wash all the stuff today with this stuff, we'd have been done by now. I think we did it. What do you think?
Looks great.
It actually looks like it might dry all right. That's all set. So the next thing we got to do is the trailer. We got to get the touchless soaps out on that, and I think we can do this in about 15 minutes. Is that too optimistic, or what do you think? Come on. I bet we can do it. I think that we've got that all day long. Let's see what we can do. Check out these rims right here. Pretty much just light cleaning to me, so I think the touchless soaps would be a good fit. This should be a good shortcut for us, so we can just move on to the cab. All right, here we go. We did it in 4 minutes. You can do this trailer in 8 minutes with a vehicle on top. I guess that doesn't count the vehicle though. Look at that, bro. Backwood badass. Yeah, that would say so. I would have to agree. Dude, you got some nice options in here. Are you sure you don't want any heavy duty in here, bro?
No, we are.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like, it looks like we could benefit from it.
Oh, no, we need it.
Oh yeah, we gotta get on there. I mean, what's nice is this is gonna hide the grease being black. It's super, super easy. I really want to get some jacks for this place to get trucks up in the air a little bit.
We got a little bit of grease here, bud.
I'd say you got a little bit of grease, man. What do you think, Charlie? Can we get away with those jack columns in here with a pitched floor?
Yep.
You think so?
I think so.
I get a little sketched out with the idea of lifting a truck up on a floor that's got a pitch to it.
Nah.
See this thing, bro. We need some heavy duty in there, bad. We got some big grease.
I'm gonna start with heavy duty. We'll agitate it, and then I just want to have that rinse close, okay?
Okay.
Where's your drill, Ronnie?
Let it rip, bro. You know what you're doing, man.
See the dirt coming off the bags right away.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, Ronnie. Sorry, Ronnie. Not how best friends treat each other.
We got a globule of grease there. We need to hit that up too. I stepped in it. It got me, bro. There you go. Dude, I need your help with the drill brush. Get the bottom of my foot.
Help me out, bro.
Yeah, it's a big piece, bro.